This is the new DeepSeek AI model, designed for advanced chain of thought. To get started, click on the Start Now button. After clicking, you will be directed to the next page. Here, I uploaded a PDF document. My prompt asked the model to convert the 30 questions in the PDF into plain text, specifically formatted for easy pasting into the Learning Management System (LMS), as a knowledge base for generating exact copies of questions. The output from DeepSeek is impressively well structured. For example, I can easily copy the content from question 1 to question 10. Once copied, this should be sufficient for pasting directly into the SLS platform. When uploading any document, such as PDFs, to an AI model, always ensure that the PDFs are either in the public domain or classified as open resources. For this demonstration, I am using a document from the SAB A-Level Physics Specimen Paper 1, which is a publicly available PDF. As you can see, DeepSeek processes the questions and answers in the PDF quite effectively. For example, a voltmeter connected across the resistor is reproduced almost word for word, often maintaining the original formatting. Using this method to generate the 30 questions, the results are fairly accurate. Let's review the outputs of AI model against the original PDF. Let's move on to question 2. You'll notice it is almost a word-for-word replica. Similarly, questions 3 and 4 are quite accurate. However, for question 4, take note that the AI model does not understand diagrams. We will need to capture the diagram separately as an image and upload it later. Overall, the AI output is superior to simply copying and pasting from a PDF, as it ensures clean formatting and reduces the need for corrections. Here again, the output is very well done. However, in question 9, you'll notice that the train image is missing. While the text is accurate, missing elements like images need to be addressed manually. Moving on to question 12, we can see an error in the AI's understanding. The question refers to a flat piece of cardboard, but the accompanying picture, ABCD, is missing entirely. Additionally, it seems to have confused question 12 with question 13, as it skips to a reference about a small coin. This highlights the importance of double-checking the AI's output for errors. By correcting these issues at this stage, it will save time later when injecting the content into SLS as a knowledge base. If any mistakes remain, you'll need to address them during the lesson editing phase. Once you've prepared the knowledge base, select the text for questions 1 to 10, then copy it. When you're ready, go to SLS and click on Add Knowledge Base. Paste the copied text into the Content Knowledge Base section. After pasting, go to Select Components to give additional guidances to ACP, such as the 10 questions, for more targeted outputs. In the Additional Details section, you can include specific instructions, such as generating copy the question 1 to 10, remove the A, B, C, D, or any other necessary details to guide the system. After ACP goes to work and is done, one possible way to start a new quiz after the 10th question is to begin with the 11th question. Instead of looking for it in the quiz interface, you can click on the Generate button on the question level, which will take you to a section where you can specify the number and type of components, along with any additional instructions. In these instructions, you can request specific features for the quiz questions. Bear in mind, AI works better with clear instructions. For instance, if there were edits made to the generated output and precision is required. Once the AI generates question 11, it draws information from the predefined knowledge base. This is critical as the knowledge base provides the context and information for the AI to formulate questions accurately. After the AI generates the question, you can continue by selecting the option to place each question on a new component. Review the answers for question 11 and subsequent questions before clicking Add. Notice that question 11 will now populate the sequence up to question 20. To proceed with question 21, click the plus icon, then the Generate button, and specify 10 multiple-choice questions to ensure clarity in your requirements. Update the knowledge base with the new questions from DeepSeek, save your changes, and provide similar additional instructions as before. For example, you might clarify whether options should have 4 options, for example. This helps the AI handle ambiguities effectively, such as removing A, B, C, D at the beginning of each option if needed. Review the generated questions to ensure accuracy. Select all components, ensure each question appears on a new page, and click Add. This process will add questions 21 to 30 seamlessly. Using this method, you can efficiently create quizzes with DeepSeek AI and SLS Authoring Copilot, rapidly populating all necessary questions with minimal manual effort. Let me now highlight some of the changes I have made to polish the paper. First, let's look at the questions. You may notice that the formatting originally provided by the ACP AI, which is ChatGPT-1 Mini today, is not perfect. To improve it and ensure the font appears correctly by wrapping equations in latex using sign. If this is not done, the formatting may not display as intended. The solution can also be generated using ChatGPT-01, a paid service, or DeepSeek and/or Claude, which is capable of creating clear step-by-step solutions. These solutions can be pasted as feedback for each question after it is answered. I typically compare all three solutions or just take the best way to convey the correct solution to students. For questions that include pictures, you will need to use a snipping tool to capture the image and upload it separately. It's worth noting that occasionally the words might be missing, so human in the loop is key to a good SLS module, and you may need to add the options manually, along with additional information in editing, to ensure they appear correctly. In some cases, any AI model, including ACP, might make mistakes, so it is crucial to cross-check the generated solutions with various sources to confirm that the selected answer is correct. While ACP has automated many mundane tasks, it is essential for humans to review the feedback and options to ensure they are coherent and accurate. With these adjustments, you can create a polished and instructive paper with correctly formatted questions and clear feedback.